Can you 100. Can I pay with card? You can tap.
Okay, so here behind me is the upside down house here in Broederstroom. We decided to have a quick visit to here. So it's not very big, so what I'm going to do is the first round I will do all the videos with the camera facing the right direction, and then the second way around I'll go and redo this with the camera facing upside down, and both of those would give you two complete different effects of this house. And then what I'll do lastly is I'll add a couple of pictures which you just find ideas as to how to make pictures and how to hold things. Yeah, even the floors are not level, so it's very disorientating in there. So I hope you enjoy this with us. This was a spur of the moment idea to come to Broederstroom, to this house, so enjoy it. That guy's been hanging here for a while. And now we're going to do this house with the camera turned upside down. Let's go.